He is the future of talk radio. He's entertaining, informative, and heavy on opinion. He is Denny Schaefer on Intelligent Talk 920 WGKA.
By the way, if what this cleric is saying had any truth to it, in this country, we'd have earthquakes every hour.
Denny Schaefer.
President Obama's new healthcare law could potentially add at least $115 billion more to government healthcare spending. I am shocked by that. So's the White House. Here's the White House statement today.
Go! Denny Schaefer.
How could anybody vote for this guy? Anybody with a brain, anybody with an ounce of integrity, people that vote for this guy says more about you than it does about him.
I'm running as a Republican.
Lies! I mean, how does anybody vote for this guy, even as an independent? Does anybody's word mean anything anymore?
Denny Schaefer.
If Franklin Graham is there, they'll use it to stir up hate. But it's funny because when you think about it, they're afraid of terrorists getting a hold of this information and using it as propaganda to recruit for more hate and more harm and more death and more destruction. And Franklin Graham is being criticized because he had the audacity to say that Islam is violent? Okay. By disinviting Franklin Graham, aren't you proving his point?
Denny Radio is on the air.
You have become in some ways the voice of sanity here, which is like being the thinnest kid at fat camp.
Here's your host, Denny Schaefer, on Atlanta's Intelligent Talk 920 WGKA.
Here's the headline. Obama taps Kagan to give court historic third female. Gotta be careful with your words when you're talking about this one. They're just rumors, man. Introducing his Supreme Court nominee to the nation, President Obama portrayed Elena Kagan as the guiding force for a fractured court and a champion of typical Americans. Why is it fractured, Mr. President? Because you don't have enough liberals on the court? Is that what it is? Oh, it's fractured because it doesn't lean your way. Oh, I pray for the health of all the conservative judges on the court. I really do, because if not, it's going tipping. It's going tipping 5-4, and when it goes tipping the other way, just kiss the nation goodbye, man. Just bye-bye. She would be the youngest justice on the court and give it 3 women for the first time in history. Well, technically, really, is she a woman? Kagan's profile, a left-leaning lawyer. No kidding. Serious? Does the president know that?
A different kind of talk radio.
You are eye candy, but you're also ear candy.
Denny Schaefer is Denny Radio on Atlanta's Intelligent Talk 920 WGKA.
He's been very vocal about the Arizona law. Despite repeatedly voicing concerns about Arizona's new immigration enforcement law in recent weeks and threatening to challenge it, Attorney General Eric Holder said, I haven't read the law. You're not doing your boss any favors. I'm glad you did it. I'm glad for your ignorant honesty. Because that's what it is. It's ignorant honesty. Well, I haven't read it. Well, then why are you critical of it? Well, because everybody else is. Because we're supposed to be. Because I'm a Democrat and my boss is against it, so I figure there's got to be something wrong with it, so I'm going to go against it too. That's what you call irresponsible. He says, I have not had a chance to, and then he stopped himself. Well, I've glanced at it, but it's a bad law. Have you read it? Well, no, I've glanced at it. All my buds, everybody I hang with says it's bad. And besides, you know my boss? He doesn't like it at all. Has he read it? Beats me. I don't know. I haven't read it. He probably hasn't either.
A politician's worst nightmare.
They're idiots.
Denny Schaefer is Denny Radio on Atlanta's Intelligent Talk 920 WGKA.
2 of my biggest issues in government, lobbyists and term limits. 2 of the biggest issues of what's wrong with our government. And it's 2 issues they will not deal with. You know, some states deal with it, but on a federal level, they won't do it. And they ought to. They have that excuse, well, you know, nothing will get done if there's all this turnover. No. It would make you work harder for your 2 terms in the Senate. That's what I would give you when I'm in charge. 2 terms for a senator. That gives you 12 years. If you can't get it done in 12 years, get out of office, Ted Kennedy. May he rest in peace wherever he is. And it would be 6 terms for the House. 12 years. I mean, it's so hypocritical of Congress, who has to pass the law. The president, 2 terms. That's it. 2 terms. You're out the door. But if you're a member of Congress, you can stay forever. And that's the problem with our country. It really, truly is. We got the same good old boy network that are all cozied up with the lobbyists and the movers and the shakers, and it's why our country is so screwed up today.
It's not the kind of talk show you're used to. Denny Radio on Intelligent Talk 920 WGKA. WGKA.
In this depressed world economy, a lot of people are investing in precious metals. But because of Obamonomics and the failed stimulus package, you can't afford gold or silver. But now you have an option.
When I lost my job a year and a half ago, I didn't think I had any investment options. But with my 99 weeks of unemployment compensation and no hope for a new job on the horizon, I'm investing in aluminum.
Yes, aluminum. Once considered a precious metal, even displayed next to the crown jewels in the 19th century. And now the demand is higher than ever.
I've amassed quite a stash of aluminum. Right behind my couch.
He is the future of talk radio. Denny Schaefer and Denny Radio on Intelligent Talk 920 WGKA.